Hello guys, I'm Wes and I'm back with another exciting formula. So today we are going to learn about Randbetween. So Randbetween, just by its name, it means that it is going to consist of lots of random numbers between two specific numbers. So like for example, you want some random numbers between 9,000 and 10,000. You can do that by using the Randbetween formula. It is mostly used to prepare the dummy data, but if you have a file which requires a lot of random numbers, this can be ideal for you, right? So let's start. I will teach you how to apply it. So first of all, equal to, which is obviously forever useful when you are applying a formula. So you will press rand and here we go. Then you will press tab to select that. And now it's asking you for a bottom number. So let's say for example, we have to get some random number from 9,000 to 10,000. So I will write 9,000 here and press comma, and then I will write 10,000 and then I will close the string, right? By pressing tab, it will create a random number for me, right? So if I want to drag it down, I will just press double click and there you go, we have it all the way down, right? So now you can see there are a lot of random numbers between 9,000 to 10,000. They won't be touching the 9,000 figure and they won't be touching the 10,000 figure. That's what I know. So there you go. This is a very simple formula, but I will teach you another thing, that this formula has one problem, that it is forever changing. So for example, if I press 1 and just press enter, 2 enter, A enter, whatever I will do, it is going to change. So in order to fix this, you just have to press shift control down to select all of these. You have to go over here, press the right click, move it to the left or right, whichever you prefer. I'm doing it right, so move it to the right and then back. And then now here it says that how you want to copy it. I want to copy it here as values only, right? So by pressing that, now all the numbers are fixed. So I've created lots of random numbers between 9,000 and 10,000 by using just a single form, right?